Alright, so I have my two favorite pairs of Canaco jeans and pants, but unfortunately the zipper needs to be replaced. As you can see, it broke off, so it's no longer usable. Alright, so today my mom's going to show us how to replace the zippers. Alright, we're at Walmart looking for zippers. I see buttons and stuff. Oh, mom found it. So we need to pick something out to fit my pants. It should be pretty much standard. So I know this long, these are very long, like 7 to 9 inch. So I think we're gonna go with the shortest. These jean ones, $1.50 each. Okay, so we bought the zippers from Walmart, $1.50. Surprisingly cheaper than online. So now our next step is to remove the zipper. So this can be a little bit complicated. I've never done it myself or seen anybody do it. So my mom will show us. So you have to remove all these stitchings. So you need this thread remover kit, which I've never seen before. So you just need to go through along the pants and remove it. You see all these threads that holds the zipper in place? You have to go inside and remove it all. So pay close attention how we remove it, because we're going to have to reverse the process and install it underneath these hemmings. See, we got the top removed. It's a tedious process. Manual labor to sew it on and to remove it. Okay, so starting on the other side of the zipper, I was able to remove this much. First time ever doing it, guys. And my mom's using this other knife. She doesn't have another of these two. She's starting on the black pair of Canaco jeans. Well, it looks like my mom's almost complete on that pair of pants. It's my first time, so it's taking me super long. Plus, the color of the black one is hard to see between the the pants and the string thread. Let's see how she removes that. Okay, so she's digging into those that holds the zipper together. Okay, and that's one whole zipper right here. I think it took about 20 minutes. I'm not kidding. It's not easy at all. But we took it out. It's time to finally sew on these new zippers. We're going to be using this Singer simple sewing machine. I've never used one, so my mom has to show me. I'm glad there's a light built in though. Okay, so the first step before sewing it on is you want to place it in a position where you want the zipper exactly. So basically tuck it underneath to conform it into shape where you want it to fit. All right, it's neatly tucked. Okay. So I'm not going to show you guys how to, insert. The whole purpose of this video is not to tell you how to use a sewing machine, but I assume you guys have simple knowledge of it. Of course you're going to use a matching thread preferably. So now we're going to turn it on, line it up, see? So I'm sure we want to go down this path to sew it on. Okay. Okay, the left side is done. Now we're gonna do the right side. See, similarly for the right side, tuck it in, line it up. Okay, so both left side and right side on. Okay, see, it works, but there's still a final step. We want to make sure we tighten it to the bottom so the bottom is not loose. We're going to crisscross it, so make sure all the threads are intact. See, there's another step. Okay, now we want to close out the gap that was tucked in. I think my mom is adding an extra line of sewing just for added security. Okay, it's time to sew on the bottom of the zipper. We're doing it from the inside because it's sticking out a little bit. It's hard to see from the outside, you know, the exterior. So it's a little bit too long, the zipper. So that's why we're going from the inside. Okay, we're done with the first pant. Let's see how it looks like. It looks good, Mom. Awesome, Mom. Let me go ahead and try it on. Mom is getting started on the second pair of canico pants. Hey, Mom. It was quite a bit of tedious work, but it looks like my mom's finally done. Let's go ahead and inspect it. So here's the old zipper. Okay, placed over the new zipper. Don't forget this is the denim style. Looks good to me. The stitching looks good. See, it looks like, oh man, that is professionally done. Look how straight it is. I think my mom added extra line. That's not typical of a regular pant if you were to buy it. So let me show you the inside too. Okay, so this is a little bit longer, so that's why it's sticking out a little bit, but that's okay. Fine stitching. What about on this gray pair of pants? Yeah, that looks good. Can't wait to try it on too. I think my mom broke 2 of these needles in trying to double stitch it. Excited to try it out. Oh wow, Mom, is perfect. And this one too? Thanks a lot, Mom. Thanks for your hard work.